Good morning, students. We start a new topic, and new topic is fertilization in human. Fertilization in human. Fertilization in human. First of all, what is the meaning of fertilization? The combination of haploid male sperm and female, both are the haploids, and female ovum, and fusion of pronuclei of both gametes is called the fertilization. It means fertilization is a process in which the fusion of male and female gametes and fusion of pronuclei of both gametes is called the fertilization. It means the result of the fertilization is occur in the form of zygote, and zygote is a diploid structure. And the fusion of pronuclei is called the pronuclei gametes. The fusion of pronuclei of gametes is called karyogamy. While the mixing of two sets of chromosomes of two gametes is known amphimixis. And next topic is types of fertilization. Fertilization is mainly two types: external and second one is internal fertilization. External and internal fertilization. In external fertilization, male and female gamete fused together externally. It means out from the body. Externally, out from the body or out of the body. The process of external fertilization generally occurs in the aquatic medium, and it is mainly found in the fishes, amphibians, and all echinodermates. And internal fertilization, the fusion of gametes take place in some part of the female genital duct near the ostium, and it is found in the oviparous and viviparous animals. And next one is artificial insemination. In this process, the liberation of sperm by the male in the body of the female for internal fertilization. Liberation of sperm by male in the body of female for internal fertilization is called insemination. When sperms are collected artificially and stored after preservation and fertilized, being done by inserting and liberating them in the female uterus, and this process is known as artificial insemination. Artificial insemination is used to improve the breed of livestock. Next, steps of fertilization. Steps of fertilization. First step is approach of sperm to ovum. During copulation, male inject semen in the vagina of the female is called insemination. In this ejaculation, 400 million sperms are found. However, 100 sperms could reach the fallopian tube, and many sperms die due to the acidity of the female genital duct. Several sperms are ingested by the phagocytes of vaginal epithelium, and sperms swim in the seminal fluid at the rate of 1 to 4 per minute. This movement of sperm due to the uterine construction process and peristaltic movement of the fallopian tube, the sperm become capable to the fertilization after some time since entering the female uterus, and the capability of an ovum to its own species. The capability of fertilizing an ovum of own species is known as sperm capacitation. In this process, lysogenic enzymes due to the in this process, sperm take place to connect the ovum hard covering due to the lysogenic enzymes. This process takes about 5 to 6 hours, and after this, sperm fertilize the ovum. And second step is entry of sperm. Entry of sperm. Entry of sperm in an ovum. Like the layers of a uterus. These are the sperm. Entering the sperm in the ovum. Corona radiata, zona pellucida, and plasma membrane, and cytoplasm, spindle, first polar body. The ovum secrete a chemical substance and it is called fertilizing. There are sperm affinate stalks and a specific sperm with its anti-fertilizing site gets attached. By this fertilizing and anti-fertilizing reaction, ovum and sperm agglutinize together, penetrate the sperm, the outer part of the uterus. In this, the anterior lobe acrosome take part and secrete some spermacines which dissolve the covering of the ovum and make the path to enter the sperm in the ovum. Sperm lysins are acidic protein. In these, one of the lysogenous enzyme hyaluronidase which dissolve the polymer of hyaluronic acid present in intracellular space. Dissolve the polymer of hyaluronic acid present in intracellular spaces. This acid keeps the granulosa cells of corona radiata together, and the corona pursing enzymes dissolve corona radiata and acrosine dissolve zona pellucida. Next step is cortical reaction. Third step. Just after entryosperm in ovum, to stop the entry of the other sperms, cortical reaction take place. In this reaction, cortical granules present below the plasma membrane of the ovum and chemical substance between the cytoplasm of the ovum and vitelline membrane. After the entry of the sperm into the ovum, following metabolic activities take place. First one is fertilization cone is formed. Fertilization cone is formed on the surface of the ovum. Second one is vitelline membrane change into the fertilization membrane. Movement is found in the cytoplasm. Permeability of the plasma lemma is increased. The rate of protein synthesis is increased and mitotic division begins. This process, these steps happens in the cortical reaction. And next step is fusion of pronuclei. Fourth step is fusion of pronuclei. The entry of the sperm in an ovum acts as a stimulus. As a result of second maturation division take place, and the sperm rotates 180-degree angle, due to which mitochondria and proximal centrosome related to the middle piece forward to the head. Centrosome carried by sperms divided into two parts and form chromosomal spindle of the center of the active cytoplasm. With the formation of the second polar body, the egg nucleus or female pronucleus get prepared to the fuse of the female head nucleus. Male pronucleus moves directed to the female pronucleus after following the sperm penetration path. Next is significance of the fertilization. significance of the fertilization. This stimulates the egg for complete maturation. It activates the ovum for continuous mitotic division. It makes the egg metabolic more active. It helps in the sex determinants. Formation of fertilization membrane take place after the entry of the sperm and check the polyspermy. We check the polyspermy. Copulation path determine the division of axis. Division of the axis. This chapter is completed, and next chapter we are start in the next video. Thanks. Have a next day.